Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Talk am as e be with Apostle Alfred Oyinosa. Apostle Alfred dey for Benin Technical College School. They interview the teachers and the students for inside the classroom. You see them, these people wey dey this classroom, na teachers and students. Na im dey here so make I leave you, make you hear from them. Wetin dey talk concerning Godwin Obaseki, the Edo State governor, for the things wey he don do for this school. This video, you need to settle down, make you lis ten to wetin dey talk about Godwin Obaseki. From beginning to the end of this video, I believe say you go enjoy this video. So make I leave you now.
Yeah, my people, now good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the area where for the words you broadcast from. My name is Apostle Alfred Oyinosa, aka Talk am as e be. Me I dey Benin Technical College this morning because me I finished from this school. Some people for there, they say they don't see anything where government do because they're blind. So since government only make noise, so we want help and make noise. Follow the entire world, make they see the work with the government don't do. So we're not talking about party now, we're not interested in party. We're interested in the personality. So Obaseki, that's why they call him Dr. Bishop Godwin Obaseki, PhD. So we're there this morning. Some of our teachers, our principal, they're there around. So they're going to introduce themselves, make and see what they happen for this place. So that make Oshomo that short devil, make you see what government don't do for here. So my people, now don't see him. So our principal there, Papa, morning sir.
Good morning, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Right here. I'm the principal, Mr. Onaiwu, Engineer Onaiwu Frederick Osazua, the principal of Government Science Technical College, popularly referred to as Benin Technical College. You are highly welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I want to welcome our young engineers, demonstrators, my teachers. I want to welcome you, and I want to also welcome people up there, our brothers, our father, mother, children, students that are watching this program live now. You are here in Benin Technical College, also known as Government Science Technical College. We are here to showcase the presentation of a renewable energy device manufactured and produced by one of our teacher here, an engineer in engineering and technology, by name Mr. Ohiwale Atoni, HOD Electronics Engineering, Government Science Technical College, Benin City. As you can see, he is the HOD, and what you see here are conversion. We want to assist because when His Excellency visited here, he gave us a mandate and said we have to go into production. That we will also go in partnership with some companies up there to ensure that we as the technicians, we as the technologists, that we will provide and produce much needed technical electronics and appliances in every various field that is being run here in Government Science Technical College. And he promised that he's going to invest much here, transform this school to one of the best in Africa, not just in Nigeria. And that is what we are seeing. And true to his word, within a couple of time, he sent to me here new recruited young engineers, technicians, and demonstrators of the back. Yeah. And I'm proud some of them, they are working out there, some occupy the students in various fields, and we are having some practicals in ongoing WAEC and NAPTEP examination. So right here with me here, I have engineer Ohiwale. He's the HOD in the electronics department. Before I start, sometimes I said we don't exaggerate. We don't exaggerate as many people do, and we are here to showcase live what we have here. Because this school, we thank our parents, we thank the students, most especially the governor, Enoriase Obaseki, for coming to the aid not just for technical education that was almost dead as far as Edo State is concerned, because Edo State was one of the best. Here in Benin Technical College those days, when it was established early 70s, all universities, all technologies, college of technologies in the federation, this is where they do their industrial attachment. This is where they do their research work. But since then, the college was virtually neglected, allowed it to rust and gone down the drain. But we thank God for Godwin Enoha Obaseki for coming, revamping the school. Not only revamping the school, equipment that other institutions in the federation they don't have. They don't have it. What we have here, no institution. We have 24 power supply here in this school. No power interruption. You can see on the chalkboard. This is electronic chalkboard. All the classes they have it. The teachers don't need to consult textbook before going into teaching of the students. If you want to consult with any author in the world, in any overseas, the best basic technology here, just touch, you have all of them. Lectures going on overseas, you can refer the student to lectures going on any institution, any of the technical college in the world, and the children begin to learn. That is what we have here. And we thank him. The workshop, the laboratory equipment, they are up here. The fact that the construction company, they went up because of this COVID-19, this deadly virus called coronavirus. That is why you can see the place is still. But we are still receiving consignment of equipment that are being supplied in full by His Excellency. And we thank him. And now we have promised His Excellency that we will not stop. We are going into research and we are going into production. We are going into production. Here today, our young dynamic teacher, Antonio Iware, has manufactured locally and production of electronic devices that is transfer energy devices that can be used both at home, industry, and in our artisans workshop that have been encouraged by His Excellency. Out there, those of you watching us, you are watching us live. Everything here, they are real. And I thank God for the parents and for the children attending this great college. What you have here is real. What you have here, they are natural. This school is open for everybody. Please leave all whatever apart. Let us commend. Let us appreciate what our governor has done here, right here. Please, I want to hand over you to Engineer Ohiwari, HOD Electronics Department of this college. Go on.
My principals, fellow colleagues, teachers, demonstrators present, my amiable students around here, I want to welcome you all to this great presentation occasion. First, my name is Ohiwari Anthony, the HOD Electronics Department of this great institution. Before the presentation, I want to quickly appreciate our governor for his interest in this institution, for giving us the enabling environment to be able to stand before you here this morning. It was all by his effort of all what he has provided for us as an institution. So I am making a presentation based on what we have been able to produce with locally made materials. These are not foreign materials; they are all locally assembled and locally made. So I'm making a presentation this morning on a renewable energy device. Renewable energy device, because we've known that in this country, energy is a major problem. And that is why the electronics department has taken it upon itself to use the opportunity and the materials provided by the government for us to forge that course. That is, we should be able to break the power sector hurdles so that everybody will enjoy enough power in our various homes. So, one of the equipment right before you here is what we call the oscilloscope. This is one of the instruments that is provided by the government. This instrument is not a common instrument. In our days in the university, we were only just told, we didn't see. We were only told, it was like a story. But here we are today with life and direct with the instrument. Please, let's give our government a hand. This instrument is the heart of instrument that any electronic engineer should have. It is the major equipment for any electronic engineer. Without this instrument, or with this instrument, you can troubleshoot any electronic device. You can repair any electronic device. This instrument, all it does is to send signal through any electronic device, and it's going to display whatever it found inside. It's just a replica of somebody doing X-ray. X-ray will tell you what you cannot see, isn't it? So this is the only instrument that reads through electronic devices. Be it our television, this modern television, plasma, any electronic device you can just think of, this instrument takes care of it. And it is with this instrument I'm able to make this small presentation of what I call an inverter. So this is an inverter. It is a renewable energy device because when the energy is used, it can be replenished, and that is why you call it renewable. And the source for that energy is the sun. That is the sun. The sun and the battery forms the major source of this energy. The sun can never be exhausted. Can the sun be exhausted?
No.
And that is why we make use of the sun to be a constant source of our energy. And that will give us a light. So I will just give you a brief block diagram of what an inverter is all about. The inverter, we just have about two stages. So you can see what the instrument is performing here.
Now they see computer, now they see go to school. No, they want to cut ticket. Make them come see work. See, some people say that fake. This is real. Now see. Oh wow, see technology. Now let film they watch this before. See, they watch on live and direct.
So this is a block diagram of an inverter system. It comprises the DC source, which is the battery. This is the inverter itself. The inverter, the function of this inverter is to convert this battery, which is DC, to AC, which is alternating current. And so what you have here now will be light. And you have 240 volts. From 12 volts, you get 240 volts supply. And so that is just the basic block diagram of an inverter. And if you want this inverter to be self-sustaining, if you want this inverter to not to depend on BEDC any longer, you now need to add what we call solar panels. You now need to add what is called solar panels and what you also call a charge controller. And so the moment you have that, you are fully independent of BEDC. You no longer need to rely on BEDC. And so the locally fabricated inverter I have here, which within the next few months, we are going to package it and give it a fine packaging. And probably, maybe our Excellency should be the first to have the first consignment of it. So in this inverter here, we have the battery, we have the transformer, we have the power circuit, and we have the control circuit. So I'm just going to demonstrate what all this is all about. If you plug your battery, this is the battery, this is the power source, this is our bulb. This one is a 100-watt bulb, incandescent bulb. And so, if I turn it on, so what you have is that you have a 240 volts, you have alternating current from a 12 volt supply. And so, not only that, it can carry your bulb, it can also carry your ceiling fan. You can carry other electronic products. You can carry your TV set. And so you can see that it is a complete instrument.
So my people, this one has been in Teco.
Yes,
we dey produce our own inverter for here now.
The ceiling fan.
When I come say, when I go school, I have your ticket. When I come see now, how to produce. Technocrat build the nation. Grassroots politician eat the nation. Technocrat build the future. Grassroots politician eat the future. So Obaseki now is building the future. So that's why we love him. So who don't like Kaname go look for bucket Kiko. So this inverter being produced in this school.
So that is our ceiling fan. You can see that the ceiling fan too is also locally assembled and produced.
Yeah.
And so, just a minute.
So my people, this one on the interactive board, where some people say na only one classroom is dead. They say na election matter because their head is not correct. So make them come see something. Interactive board. Some say na ordinary a computer. See, over 2.6 million. Where some people you dey cut ticket, you dey celebrate 1 billion naira. That money will collect them for your hand when they come. So if that kind of money they need to invest for education, we know they get problem. Someone has said, or someone has said, Obaseki have not done anything. So now be this. Because he no go school, so they don't know the meaning of interactive board. One has said. So go and do the way they say, hey, go. We go talk. Everybody already way after wedding go back. So, Papa, you ready? So one has said. So everybody we are prepared. Look at all the instructors. See all of them. The future leader. The governor is building the future. Why grassroots politicians eat the future? So we no go agree me they eat our future again. The time me finish from this school, me I share this country, see how agree finish. See computer, me I not see and use for this school. See now. Wonderful. See how the school fine. They tell me I did, me I never see this kind of war. So my people, mona dey share am. If I'm not sure I go to Osomole war, make it look watch am now. Because elder will not respect yourself, children will skating flogger for Market Square. So mona dey look am. So to say there is no teachers in the school. When I don't see teacher now, when I say I share the teacher, they say go down because they're hungry. Mona say am. This one I just feel half. Some people when I empty, no, we go pepper una. So my people say me and they Benin Tech na life and direct. You know say me na talk am as a bill. We know they look anybody face. If you don't like my face, go and kick bucket. So that's where they be. All the teachers where they said. So Oga Inverter see the work. Everything is still working. So, Jam, one of the say interactive board. You know, some people say, anyway, my day shot till September 19. Make una the shame, me I dey Benin Tech now. So, Michael, this one I one of the teacher. You go talk to us.
Pidgin in English, right?
Any better Bini Hausa Igbo say ya.
Good morning. My name is Ono Comfort. I'm presently at Benin, GSTC Benin Government Science and Technical College, Benin City. I'm a teacher here. I got employed June 11th, 2019, and under the Department of Catering, GSTC Benin. I want to say a very big thank you to His Excellency for his effort transforming GSTC Benin into a modern facility with everything in place. Like what you are seeing today, we have interactive board here. Under the catering session, we have new equipment, we have new textbook, which can help us to be able to teach our students so that they can be able to know not only the African food, they can know many things about continental smoothies and drinks that they can make for themselves and for elderly so that they can have healthy living. So I want to really say a big thank you on behalf of the newly employed teachers and the demonstrators here in Benin Science Technical College. I say thank you, Your Excellency, for what you have done and others which you are here to do. Thank you, sir.
So which advice are you going to give to those slave queen out there?
Okay, I would like to advise them that they should not see education as a waste of time. They should try whatever department they want to do. I will also advise them to come to Benin Technical College, especially our mothers at the market. Good. Bring your children here so that they can learn some skills. It can be catering, it can be electronics, it can be building, and it can also be other folks. We have them here so that even if they cannot further for higher institutions, with the knowledge they have here, they can set up one thing or the other and also employ others to work with them. Good.
Thank you very much. I think we should have more teachers. The governor. I hope so I get PVC. Yes. I hope so I get a PVC. Yes. 4 plus 4. Oh, God, hear you. All right, see one of the teachers.
Good morning, everybody.
Yeah.
My name is Ero Godfrey. I was employed here August 2019. So we have to thank our governor for what he has done. And I was an ex-student of this school. When I was here, all this infrastructure we are seeing now, they were not on ground then. We are all told by stories. So all these things we are now seeing now, basically just brought all of them for us to be using. It's just like what is used in the international world.
Yeah.
They are brought. So we have to thank Obaseki for what he has done for us. So I want to advise our mothers and our fathers to bring in all their wards to this school to come and learn a trade here. We have different types of trades here.
Thank you, sir. So, Mama, I better talk to your people. All those women where when they run for street, me they calling up to. Oh yeah, talk to them. Look here. See the wonderful Mama, so fine. You see, now I take your hand up in this show.
Good morning.
Good morning,
everybody. I'm Mrs. T.N. Oyameda. I'm a teacher in this school. I teach business studies. We teach our students how to make money. Despite as a student, we tell them how to help their parents by getting money, start a business that will also support them. At times, their parents will not have money to support them to buy their books or things that they use in their practical subjects. We encourage them to go into small-scale business so that we assist them. And we are also using this medium to tell our parents to bring their children here. We have everything here. We have home economics. A good wife knows how to cook for the husband. We have the home economics department help them to teach them how to cook and also make business. Then we also have electronics. We have carpentry department set. I came here in 2001. They have an active department. They make tables, chairs, beds for hotels. come and carry them to
Wow.
their different businesses.
Wow. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Thank you, man. So, one of the students, you are ready, oh. So, bro, I mean, those guys you want to cut ticket. Oh, yeah, talk to them. You not there yet. I mean, talk to them in the year.
Good morning, everybody. I am Seneca Evans by name. I am one of the newly employed teacher under building department. So my advice to the youth out there is that they should try and acquire some skills. The government science and technical college is open for everybody. Come here and get some trade. Education is the key. Education is the key to success. Thank you.
Thank you. So, my people, so I want to be one of the students, may they tell us what they don't benefit here, because no, they should know the dirty again, their stock is, that time all the dirty well. So, bro, I better tell us your experience for this school.
Good morning, my name is Duzo Samu Jamed. I'm for Wedding and Fabrication Department, Book 3. So I want to thank Obaseki for the government for producing our school environment to be nice and neatly for the students to learn. Also, the school library, the ICT lab table was given to me as a contract. So I learned the work and everything from here. So I'm happy for myself and my family, and also for the life of Obaseki. And I'm happy for what I want to become in the future. I want to talk about something for everything you have done. And I want to say to people, they don't judge a book by its cover. Open the book before you judge. Thank you very much.
So which means you don't carry contract already now?
Yes, sir.
I'll come collect charge for your hand, sharp. So, I beg, those boys who want to carry dada, they sag their trouser, they do yahoo, they chop shit, what you would tell them?
I will advise them there's no gain. Like what our pastor really tells us in church. When the devil give you a cap, he will take your head. So you need to follow the principles of life so that you can make it. So there are different principles. Those principles that those boys are doing the wrong details of life. So they gain nothing actually.
So which means those guys with the street now, which you want to tell them, may they go school or may they see the street? Oh, may they hear now.
They should go to school.
They should come. May they come here.
Yeah, they should come here.
They should come to technical college.
Yes.
Good. So you have the kind contract now. And government don't know see the kind contract. Very good. Madam, what you tell us your girlfriends from outside? Wait, while they look for a boy. Oh yeah, talk to them.
My name is Emmanuel Asunya. I'm a student of building department in this school.
Building department?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
I want to say a very big thank you to the governor for what he has been in this school in our lives, because he has really imparted a lot. He has done many things for us. He even went as far as taking us to Abuja for training. We used to fly. He took us to Abuja.
He took you to Abuja?
Yes, he selected us from different departments.
Oh, wow.
He took us to Abuja. We even used flights. So
wait, you entered the plane?
Yes.
How did you never enter? Hey! Wait. Governor put you for aeroplane, go Abuja.
Yes, sir. He went as far as taking us to Abuja.
Okay.
We knew so we don't have to pass through stress of road accidents and all of that. So I want to say a very big thank you. We can really learn a lot. So they taught us many things on building industry and different, all of us from different departments. We learned a lot. So I want to say a very big thank you. And also advise those girls that are outside that should come here and learn. I also partake of what the governor is doing for us. I want to say a very big thank you because he has done a lot for us. So I want to say thank you to the government.
So what about those guys where they put attachment for eye, they carry no figure, they don't want to walk?
I want to tell them that they should come to Denka College and learn things for their future.
Yes.
So I want to tell them they should come here.
They should come to Denka school.
There's no need for those things.
No.
So the only thing they need now, they need to come to school and learn for themselves. And invest in their future.
Thank you. They want marry Dangote Pikin. So my people, you know, say me I talk about Sibiu every day or other way when they after that. So my people, me I'm here right now because some people say no teacher for the school, the place is empty. You know, say if they talk to no go school, the place say they, you know, say no guy be. So we go keep them, tell them. So other Mona look at now. Mona you dey share am. Wawa guy. You no need to pay to share am. Wawa guy. Oh yeah. So we should get some of the. So please introduce us. Oh, look at this Jipala. Wonderful. Oh yeah.
My name is Azuka. My name is Azuka Gifted Faith, and I graduated from this school, Technical College. And after my graduation on after SS3, I was among the people, the employee that Governor Obaseki employed into Segeto company.
They employ you?
Yes, I was among the...
Those that they employed?
Yes, those that they employed as a trainee to be trained.
The construction company building this school,
yeah,
they were attached. You see, I'm part of the MOU for the...
Memorandum of Understanding.
Yeah.
Why should people say they know what they call MOU?
Our students. And there are about 10 of them. Are there others around? Those are the Sageto trainees.
Come and tell us your experience. Kiari, come and tell us your experience. So, Madam, continue.
So, ever since 3 years now, I've been working with the company and I've learned a lot on survey. My field here is survey. So, I've learned a lot and I have, I'm just happy that...
So, which means you are even better than those in Unibeno, because this one is very practical.
Yes, practical. It's based on practical.
Good.
Yes,
God bless you. So, bro, tell us your experience.
My name is Daniel Mojo, and I am one of the trainees that trained with the contractor. I'm one of the trainees that trained with the contractor while this video was ongoing. I trained with the plumbers. Though when I came here, I was having no plumbing experience. But as days turned into months, and yeah, I was able to learn the plumbing. And I can tell you that outside, I can do a better job on plumbing.
So what do you have to tell those guys out there that are carrying dada like mad people?
Well, I will tell them that they should try to learn a skill that will help them to earn a living.
Good. So that they can follow the future building of the governor.
Sure.
Good. Because some of them want to become politicians, they want to live their future now. So, Madam, talk to us.
My name is Iyamu Matida Nosakae, one of the teachers that was employed 2019 June. I'm saying to Mr. Governor that we are grateful for giving us a job. Apart from giving us a job, he employed us and we are still learning. We are learning skills while doing our job. I was recruited into the catering department, and with the facilities the governor provided us. In fact, I've never seen some of them. Even when I was in school, we didn't see. We only read on book and also seen internet. But right now, we have everything, and our students are very privileged that they are learning under this atmosphere that Mr. Governor has granted us in this school. And I want to say to every other person outside there, the young and old, there's an opportunity. The door is open for you. You can come and learn and equip yourself, make a living for yourself, and also be an employee, an employer to the society. Mr. Governor, I say thank you for a job well done for Technical College Benin City, sir. Thank you, sir.
Is the governor owing you people salary?
No.
Some people say they are not being paid salary.
24th, 25th, we are paid. At most, 25th.
So which means you enjoy 24 power light here?
Yes, 24 hours.
24 hours?
Yes, sir.
So which means if they ever say me they stay and you stay?
Definitely, yes, sir.
And you enjoy free internet?
Yes, sir.
Wow, God bless Governor.
Amen.
Hey bro, talk to us, your experience.
My name is Tijani Husseini. I'm one of the trainees who graduated from... My name is Tijani Husseini. I'm one of the trainees who graduated from Government Science and Technical College 2018. So I graduated there. Immediately I graduated, I was given an opportunity to work with Segeto Limited as a trainee to work. So they have been paying me there since 2018 till now, up to date. So
what has been your experience, and what do you have to tell those guys out there who want to be beating mama, be collecting money?
So I think this is a great opportunity for those out there who think private school is more better than government school. This is not just a government school. This is a technical school who have equipment, teams to teach others to handwork, those who want to learn hard work. So that's what I have to say.
Yeah, thank you. You know, some people go say now RNGO. This is not the RNGO. Some people say we don't pay people to talk. We know they pay because we are sincere. We are very sincere. So I want to talk to one of our mama. So the beautiful mother is here, Angel. All right.
Good morning, everyone.
Bless you, man.
I'm a vice principal here, Government Science and Technical College. I want to use this opportunity to thank our amiable governor for what he has really done in this school. I have been here for years. I was interviewed before. I have been here for years when we were at the old site, you know, with the Canadian government. They built this school for us. So after a while. The whole place was dilapidated, and this time, immediately the governor was sworn in. The first point of call was this school. When he came in here, he went around and shook his head and said, is this Benin Technical College? We said yes. Right there, he promised us that he's going to revamp the college. Really, before we know it, he came in here and did the groundbreaking. Before a few weeks, they started building. You know, we want to thank the governor because where we are now, it's like we are in paradise. You know, where we are, yes. I'm very proud to say because everything is in place. When other teachers come from outside, they see us here, they say, people are enjoying. The whole place there, we have comfort, we have the library, we have the ICT laboratory. We have massive equipment here where what teachers use it to teach our students. And the students, you can see that those days, our students are seen outside. They'll be roaming about. But since the intervention of the government here, our students, you no longer see our students moving up and down outside. They are here because they have the comfort, the environment is comfortable, they have textbooks, they have library to read, they have inverter, we have 24/7 here for lights. So teachers go into the internet to make researches before they teach students. And even the students as well make some researches too. So teaching and learning is made easy here. I want to use this opportunity to also talk to our guests outside because I am from catering department. You know, for a long time that department wasn't really there. So the governor came and gave us equipment, just as one of my teachers said. Gave us equipment. In fact, the equipment the governor gave us now is like the one the Canadian gave us those days. You know, well, the department now is well equipped. We have ovens, we have fridges, we have everything that a girl child who wants to come into catering department will be able to come in and learn comfortably.
Not to the cooking domio.
No. We go into continental dishes, you know, bakery and confectionaries. So I want to also say that department, the girls outside, they should come in and learn this. Some of our students that pass through here, they all have their own schools outside, catering schools outside. Wow. I can mention one, there's one at the Kewan Road. She was my student 2001. She graduated here. She has her own catering school outside where she's equally training other catering students. Yeah. So I want to use this medium to thank our government, our amiable government, that he has really tried for us in this school. Our students no longer roam about. Once they come in here, because of the comfort, they stay input in their classes and they are happy. With the teachers too, we are happy because we are also teaching in a comfortable environment. We want to say thank you, Mr. Governor, and I pray that the good Lord will strengthen you so that you will come back and complete the good work you have started in this school. God bless you.
Yeah, please, man, can you tell us how many teachers the governor has employed? Because a lot of people say he has not done anything.
Oh, before we have very few teachers, but the governor has employed over 100. Wow. Over 100 teachers. Wow. Yes, over 100. We have teachers. We have demonstrators, we have attendants, we have lab attendants who attend to students in their laboratories. So we have the school nurse. The school nurse is there who take care of the health of the students. So when students are sick, we have a sick bay where they take treatment. So we are very happy. We are so proud of our governor, and we are begging that they should allow him come back. So that he can come and complete the good work he has started in this school because he still have a lot to do here. God bless you, sir.
Thank you,
very
man.
much.
Wow. When I see the beautiful nurse, he completes here. I better tell her, talk to us.
Good morning. I'm Kadu Evening. I was employed here last year, August 2019. So I'm the health officer here in this school. We have a sick bay here where the students come to take treatment anytime they sustain injury. Before now, there was no sick bay, but right now, there's a sick bay in the school.
Is there drugs every first aid?
Yes, everything is available.
I'll go and see it too.
Yes,
Me, I not believe in
All
right.
Thank you, sir.
So, my people, we could have seen the good work what the governor they do. That's why some of us say he must do 8 years. Oh, one man. If was someone that fit do 8 years, Obaseki will do 8 years. If Buhari whether they do anything, do 8 years, Obaseki must do 8 years. Mama, may talk to her.
Good morning, sir. You're welcome. Actually, they have said a lot about our government. We are not exaggerating. It has been so wonderful. I am the Vice Principal Academics here, Mr. Sokoye J.
Wow.
And teaching has been transformed. It is so wonderful now. My teachers now find it very easy to teach the students. And teaching and learning has been so exciting in this school. And actually there's this program we are running now. We call it e-learning. E-learning. Our teachers, we have a facility that goes on in the internet. Our children, the teachers have uploaded lessons, topics in the internet. To the extent that our children, while they're at home, you know, for the COVID, we've not been able to, they've not been coming to learn. But they're not missing because our notes, our lessons are in the internet. And the children can access them and learn while at home, even while they're at home. So we thank God this institution is a great one. And what the governor has done here, it is so wonderful. And we thank him, we pray, just like my colleague said, that he should be given the chance to finish up what he has started, because he has done so much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, man. I hope you have your PVC ready.
Sure. I've been on it.
God bless you, man.
Thank you, sir.
So, my people, let's go back to our Oga.
Yes. So, like I was saying before, the essence of this project is for the children who have come to learn vocational skills, that at the end of their course, they should be able to produce something. They should be able to be self-sustaining. So if a child can go into inverter production, you can see that within a short time that child will make a lot of money. Because what is modern today, what is invoked today is renewable energy device, such as an inverter. Now, like we have here, this is each bulb here is about 100 watts. So this little inverter here can carry up to about 20 bulbs.
This much is so?
Yes, can carry up to about 20 bulbs.
20 bulbs?
Yes.
Good.
Conveniently. And also power other electronic devices. You can charge your handset. You can run, those of us that have small drilling machine, you can carry your small drilling machine. In fact, so we thank the governor for this enabling environment. We have not had it as good as this before. Before we don't have any instrument, but now we have a perfect instrument, the oscilloscope. Anybody anywhere in the world knows the function of oscilloscope. It is the heart instrument for any electronic engineer. So I want to thank you all, and I want everybody to key into this project. That at the end of the day, people will come and start buying inverter from GSTC, Benin City.
Yeah, my people, now do well. Now so we come work out today, you know, say me I talk, say me I not believe the Photoshop because they can go benefit at times. That's why me I go for video to tell the people how it be after we not here. And when maybe come and say maybe I'm more I told you I want again, God forbid. So my people, I did Benin Tech. So people say this thing, they say now see me interactive board why in the case when my dad the man where the school now tell what I'm or someone the man where we man if someone they like us if we not close down other schools you go build school for your house not that a wicked man. So now so they be. So my people, my name still remain Apostle Alfred Oyinosa aka Toka Masibi our time we not here every day. So I want to ask presenter a question.
Yes.
My name is Osaze Osengi and I have a question for us. I would like to know how the inverter was produced, how it was made.
Okay.
So how the inverter height was made?
Yes. The inverter is a very simple device. Once you know the principle behind it, like I explained during our presentation, you just have the three stages of this inverter. You have the DC session, you have the inverter, you have the AC session. So the heart of this is the inverter. In the inverter, like what you have here, this is a small demonstration board. And so that was why we experienced that initial failure. With this, you just have some few components. If you are able to read the circuit and place them where they're supposed to be, then you have an inverter and you have an AC output. So that shouldn't be a problem.
Thank you, sir. Any other question? So now, come carry me go your CB. So my people, one of your followers, talk as it be. How I tell we not here. Oh yeah, take us to the sick. Una do well, oh. So we are going now. So my people. So, Epa, I want to see those computer for the many classes. People say not day. So we are going now to the sick bay because people need to. Because I'm in government technical college right now. So I tell you, I will give them a wonderful, the latest update. So we just finished now from the interactive board side, and the teacher gave us wonderful teaching. So make una just come, una just follow me. Una come see something for ourselves. This one a new building, not be no renovation. No, this is new building. New building. I would like to see una toilet today. So una toilet be like abroad home.
Yes.
I would like to see the toilet. So my people, Mona just call. I did Benin Tech now. Mona come see the wonderful work when our governor do for here. Make una just follow me. Mona come see. Now the sick baby this. Wonderful, wonderful. My people, Mona see the sick bill. Mona come see. Oh, could on the line make you see everywhere. This is a laboratory for Benin Government Technical College. Make una see am o. Make una see my people o. See am o. Ah, it be like EBTH now. Make una see. This is Government Technical College. This is the where the sick bay abi.
Sick bay.
This is sick bay department. Mona see. Show the equipment. Wow, we don't see me. Everything, everything already. Now when the matter come get critical, I can go EBTH. And no matter go get critical.
Amen.
My people, Mona see mo. Make una see. When I what did they call this one that year?
Washington.
Mona see the worship bay. So what else are we now looking for? This man has come to build the future. A technocrat build the future, but a grassroots politician eat up the future. That's the reason why we are supporting this man. Imagine, this one just government technical college. You see him, he never did practice. If you need a verse, you never get this shit for you. You not get time. I am one. Gagbody na temata. So that's what they be. So mama, how do they feel the play?
We are grateful. We are happy to the government for all he has done. As we said before, we are so grateful. And we pray that he comes back. That is just about
He has come back here. Come
back and complete what he has started. 4+4.
Ogba. Mama, I for like see your catering, no. I for like see your catering, no.
That place is far off.
Okay, so no problem. I beg, when I see you na toilet, they show na toilet fine well. I want see am. So my people, Mona get a share am. Mona dey share am. Mona, wonderful work.
No, the general, Mama, the general one here.
So Mona come see something. Where be this?
Let me get the key.
Okay. So my people, Mona see am. Wonderful, wonderful. This one a new structure. I can come in, all right?
No.
Okay. So this one a new structure. This one not be renovation or new one. New one. 24 power supply. I enter this place. Okay. Known as 24 power supply. Maybe I see something. So Mona you enjoy herself. Make una you enjoy herself. Everywhere clean.
This one is of physically challenged.
Okay, physically people wey dey get wheelchair na their own be this o. Okay o. Wow, this is female. Oh boy, make una see bedroom o. Eh? Wait o. What do Jesus? Even that mission show is over the 20-something time for that one. Yeah. My people wanna see, make una see, wetin we come dey find again. Wàhálà ẹgbẹ́ mọ́ dọ́lẹ́bù, Ọbaṣẹ́kí ọdún dọ́lẹ́bù yìí, Ọbaṣẹ́kí máa kú míàmì wá. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó, màá wá dénú wá. Wà ló gé mi, mama. Oh my God, these are the washing basin. My people wanna see.
After washing, after using the toilet,
You wash it.
and you hand dry.
Wanna see everything complete.
That's it.
Our tongue will blow. Jam. Everything is set. Where the toilet? My people, make una see. Make una just share am. Make una. No, wetin we come dey find? Na people wanna see work. So beautiful. Wanna just share am. Make una dey see. Funny enough, God know they talk. That's like some of us that we want to talk for them. We will think my hair go on there. Make una see. See, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What else are you now looking for? Even some big men never get this for their house. They never get in here more. This is the toilet.
Yeah, we have a lot of it.
Oh my
1,
God.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
My people, wanna see, wanna see.
This place is for the female.
For the female. For me.
Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. My people, what do you me? What do you me? This one, London in Edo State. This is London in Edo State. Beautiful. Beautiful. So my people, you know say me, Me I not believe in Photoshop. My own life and direct. So now some people say now let one class, now the computer day. So now me I want to take all of you now.
This is classroom 1,
This
UBO2.
class. Okay. When I consider say now let one class computer this. Yeah. When I see the interactive board. When I see
Here's the one for this class.
okay. Some people say they just install and become a lesson. What an irony.
They have been in the store. We have in the store.
No worry, we don't see him. No you worry. We'll go to the second class. No you worry. We don't see him. People muna here dey follow us.
Classroom 1.
This classroom 1 o. Some people say na only one class a day. See am o, this one na classroom 2.
Classroom 2.
Una see am? Una see the interactive one? See am? Oh my God, una see am? This classroom 2. Another interactive monitor board. See am? Una follow me. Una here dey come. Una here dey come. They say he has not done anything. God go judge you now, all these people. My people, now you see things for yourself. This is classroom 3.
Classroom 3.
Now, classroom 3, evidence. My God, this another interactive board also. Computer monitor interactive board. Now, see, so look at the church. Neat. Because you know COVID-19 and school never resume. If not, the year go packed full.
And these chairs and tables, they were produced by our students.
Wait, this produce here?
Yeah, it's our students that produce them.
My people, can't you see? From the school here?
Yes, it's our students that produce
Jehovah, oh God, God bless. Meanwhile, God, Comrade Adam go supply chair from Abuja. Okay, this is a classroom 4.
Where the seminar took place.
Yes.
So it's like that all around. Let's,
Una see am?
Oh, it's not.
Una see am? Una see am? So my people.
Even for the place, the rooms where they never complete.
Yes.
The boards are already there.
They are already there.
Let me take you to
Okay.
where we.
Hey. Okay, man, I see something. People say they know they see. They say na fake. They say na propaganda. They say na election. Because every government they make noise. We go help am make the noise well. We go help am make the noise. So me I dey here live and direct. Muna see things for myself. What do give me? So I feel like Dubai. Oh wow. But Muna come see. Muna see. Live dey here 24 hours. Yes, be like you're in a lab.
This is the power room, the server.
Okay. So, student, how you guys enjoying the school? Do you feel like running away from the school?
No.
Are you enjoying the facility?
Yes, sir. Yes,
The free internet?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I wish you could go back to the school from Pokwa now.
Because they almost living there in their final year. So they don't feel like moving out.
You don't want to leave?
No.
Wow, okay.
So these are more for
other classroom.
Rooms are yet to be completed. So they are already here, not be.
Say election matter.
So.
Oh my God. Who be product? Mona Shan, interactive monitor. Shall not be say all this is not there yet. Not be since last year.
Yes.
Every year since they could be waiting for installation. After they work, first step by step. After Wi-Fi, the next thing is this one because this one depends on the internet.
Okay. Mo see that that Wi-Fi room again. Mo see, you know say that place and they took me for body well. God bless governor. And the money I hear they share. Since they say the commissioning project, we go to help on the commissioner. My bonus see.
You know that I mentioned that this one there.
Yes.
Now Nigerian, it's a Nigerian indigenous
company
that produced it. So we are promoting our own. It's not a matter of always
going abroad.
Patronizing foreign.
Meanwhile, no small to do more to the no go patronize and they want to buy Toyota. So my people, now should they be? I'm so happy.
Edo State is coming up. If there's a learning app we are using now.
Wow.
It's called Intellectuals.
Intellectual.
And young about 3-4 young boys.
Yes.
When I get that platform, now we tell they teach our children. Doing the intellectual app. To say I know, for make them come around. You see all our children, they have it in their phone. That we can use to teach a child even at home. The child can ask you questions. So learning doesn't stop from the classroom.
Jesus.
No, this
internet.
Fiber optics. Me one server.
Una see, when you put it, don't say una share. If you share this money, how you fit? I don't feel shout again. Till September 19 with the wait. So by people wanna share. When I really share this broadcast, me I dey happy because I am so proud of my governor. He's a man that is building the future.
Wait and see, governor.
Wait and see. So my people.
Wait and see, governor.
Mona, you follow us. Make I just show na the front view of the school. Then make we move to another location. Mona, you follow us. Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Yo, 4+4. Ogbane, yeah, me o. Mona, you dey. Na so. Mona, come see. They do. Mona, they see. Everybody dey happy. Mona, see am clean. Na wa. Everybody name no my share. What do you mean now?
The thing is, not that they don't know, but they just want to talk.
That wickedness.
They know. You see.
Wow.
Even right now, there are people that are waiting to be directors. He has given us promotion. Those of us that are due here to level 17, we are waiting to get our letter. So wow.
Wow. So my people, now do well. God will bless all of you now. Make even some of the church they say, God, and we thank you. Make I give it there, go show that the signboard because when I come say something for the school, so everywhere clean, wonderful. Tell me why I will continue to support this man. Make una see something for ourselves. So wonderful. Mona see now. Jam. This is government technical college. Una see am. Sir, government technical, they say thank you for employment. Una see am. They thank you for the employment. Now, no see am. So, my people, the place is clean. So wonderful. So me, I did here, by the grace of God, we will showcase the wonderful work we our governor don't do. So una do well. God will bless all of una. We will continue to showcase the work of the government. This one is the staff room. This is the staff room. Una see the staff room. Everywhere wonderful. This is the staff room. Una see am. Wonderful. Wonderful. Una do well. These are all the students that came to write the exam. These are the students that came to write the exam. So that's what they be. So principal, I want to talk to your people now. Vote of thanks to the people.
Oh, I have to express my gracious, my marvelous, my sincere thanks before my start to His Excellency. Edward Obaseki, for giving us this fantastic paradise, for giving us this paradise of life. I sincere of all my heart. So students,
are you proud to be a student of this school? Are you enjoying your stay? So my people, we are all happy, we are all happy, we are all happy.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
So now do what? So I'm proud to be a supporter of Obaseki.
I'm here with my VP admin.
That is it.
This is my VP admin, and we thank him very much. As Oliver Twist always ask for more. We want more. We are begging. God will continue to bless you. God will continue to bless you. Anything that will hinder your progress in this school, we can say it in Jesus.
Holy Ghost! Fire! Oh, my people, look at this. So una do well. So una say they be. So una do well. Make una see the front view of the school now. So make una see everywhere powerful. So bad. Everybody happy. We'll see again. God bless all of una. My name is Chirime, Apostle Alfred Oyinosa, aka Tokan Asibi. See me say to the playground. Yeah, merci to the playground. Everything day. So everything day. Una do well. So, my people, there's the reason why some of us they make sure say Obaseki come back for second time to complete the work when we don't start. Una do well. Now God go bless all of una. So some people will say they don't say anything. Let me come back again. Maybe I start say computer day all the classes. All the classes. When I see the bedroom, wonderful. Una do well. God bless all of una. We'll see you later in the day. Bye bye.
Now wey you don hear from the teachers and the students wey dey this school, you hear everything wey they talk now concerning the Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki. If you get anything to talk concerning what you hear from their mouth, go to comment section, make you put am for there. Let us know what you think. And before you go, I beg, make you help us share this video to friends and family wey never see this video. So make I leave you now, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.